Jess. I cover LS4, which is Burley, and LS6, which is Meanwood, Hyde Park and Headingley. I've been with Preston Baker for 11 years, but the last 2 have actually been under the self-employed associate model. You have one direct point of contact. The person that you meet on the valuation is the person who you trust and instruct to sell your property.
Jess offered advice on what would suit us best, and she's just been great at helping us throughout the process, even with our onwards purchase. She's got nothing to do with Jess.
We were just really happy with how Jess sort of immediately recognised that she thought it was worth more than we could get for it.
I fell into a estate agency after graduating from university, and 11 years later, I'm still here. Burley tends to be a mixture of first-time buyers and investors. Hyde Park predominantly investors, and then Meanwood and Headingley, a range of everything from first-time buyers, families upsizing, older people downsizing, so it's nice to work with a mixture of people.
What we had to do versus how much was done for us was brilliant.
I would not recommend her enough. I love done. Well done.
And if you're looking to buy or sell, please get in touch. I would love to help you move on to your next chapter.